We have a 1995 Polaris Magnum 4x4 425 liquid cooled 4-stroke, chain drive, all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, McPherson struts, front suspension, high beams, low beams, all work. Electric start works. Oil change in the last 6 months. Runs good. It needs a new clutch cover. It's got antifreeze. It's full. It's got a tow hitch. Chains are tight. Front and center one. Brake light works. Exhaust works good. Tires don't leak. Back brake needs some attention. Doesn't work. It's got one key. Nice seat. No rips. Trunk. Front and back racks are still there. Could use one new panel here. Oh yeah, low gear does not work. It might work if you took the shifting mechanism apart. There's two pins inside there underneath. Well, anyways, there's two cams that go in and out, and I'm sure that one of the pins is just roughed up. You could either buy a whole new shifter for nothing off an old used one, or clean this up. Probably be the better bet. Wouldn't take much. I was not interested in doing it. Yeah, it's a nice machine. Here, I'll show you a little test drive. Neutral. All-wheel drive. You can see that. I can see it. All-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. Run, start button, high, lows, override for reverse. Start straight up. Show you the lights, the low beams. The high beam, low beams turn off. High beams, low. Got brake light. Get that on film. For a spin. Clean for the age. I believe you can get a lifetime Minnesota license for it for like $14. Forever license. 999 license. That's it. Hope you like it. For sale.